Hi guys, in this video, I will be showing you how to share notes on an iPhone. This process is quite simple and doesn't take much time. So first, open the Notes application on your iPhone. Find the note you want to share and click on it to open it. Once the note is open, look for the share button in the top right corner. This button is very important for sharing the note. So after clicking the share button, you'll see various options such as copying a link, adding markup, printing the note, and more. Now you will see the collaborate button. But first, let's take a look under the collaboration option. You can choose who can access the note, either only invited people or anyone with the link. You can also set permissions, deciding whether others can make changes or just view the note. Additionally, you can enable or disable the option for others to invite more people. If you just want to send a copy of the note, select that option. Otherwise, choose to add collaborators. Once you have set your preferences, select the people you want to share the note with and share the link. You can copy the link and send it through any messaging app. The people you share the note with will receive a notification and will be able to edit the note using the link. You can also share the note via AirDrop, messages, or any other preferred method. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Bye!